fine. Right? What's the big difference? B, D. Yeah, okay, your tongue is there. Do you need your tongue to say B? Do you need your tongue to say P? Do you need your tongue to say M? Okay, what do you need to say B, P, M? Your lips, right? So these are all sounds with your lips, right? These are all sounds with your tongue. These are also with your tongue. What's the difference? D, G. They both use your tongue. How are they different? Okay, not quite the throat, but there's the tongue at the front and the tongue at the back, right? So, you can say like this, B, P, M, your lips, right? B, P, M. If this is your tongue, D, T, N, G, K. What else? Same sound? M, N, H. 是对吗? So we separate them, okay. Maybe you can put something else there. Something like this, right? N 跟 N 是不一样吗? Are they different? N, N. 一样不一样? Well, say the sound. Everybody go N. Everybody go N. 不一样吗? Okay, what about this question then? What sound is this? What sound is this? Really? 它的音是 P. So, if I want to say, let's see, like grapes. It's a 葡萄, right? What tone? 一声二三三. Okay. All right. So, is this P U? Is that right? P U to ao. If I want to go to buy some grapes, I need to 请问我想要 P U to ao. We don't do it like that, right? It's P. 因为 P 是它的名词，不是它的音. Right? Same thing in English. The letter B doesn't have an E sound in the sound, right? Okay. So, 它叫 P, 它的音. Alright. So then, if we have her sound, 是 N. Her sound, 是 N. So it's the same thing. Okay. What else can we do? That's one. Well, if these are groups, what about this way? Do these make one group? How many of you have one sheet? Everybody say these sounds. That's it again, come on. Okay, now say this one. Not the character. 是它的名字，是它的音。没有关系吗? There's no relationship between them. What's the relationship? 他们都是有声，是这边用的 b, d, g. 他们都是无声。Okay, 好。Now then, even from here, we can answer your question. This 有声还是无声？念念看 this. Put your fingers here. This. 有声吗？有。Fin. 有声无声？它会动吗？ If it's voiced, b, d, g, th, this booms, right? Alright? What about this one? If you say it right, 不是 ru, 不是 z, but even z has a z, right? Su, right? Okay. So, what we have is 有声无声，有声无声，有声无声。G,无声 right? Same thing. 支持 same thing. z 跟 s 一样。好。We have here our m, n 跟 ong. What about this sound here? 有声无声。好，有声的音是什么？ What sound goes here? Well, why is this one here? Bapama, datana. Where does f go? F is like b. Try saying f with your two lips, right? Try it. If you say f with both lips, f. Try, see. F. Like you say p, f. It's kind of hard, right? So when you say f, these are teeth, okay? 有声吗? Try. What sound is this? That's why they have some problem for you. They feel the same because you make them the same way. The and p are the same place in your mouth, just like b and p. They have that relationship. But we can't make two different sounds exactly the same. If we make them the same way, it's the same sound. So that's why there's a problem. Alright? But if we can understand how they're different, 有声 and 无声, then very, very. Okay? And it still takes some practice because you have a habit of saying it, but you can learn if you know what to listen for. It's like with this one. Zu 是不对. If I want to write zu, this word here, with doing 是讲什么? 是不对, right? Because this is this one here. What about this? Is this right? I want to go to the ru. A lot of Chinese speakers say it that way, but it's also wrong. A lot of Chinese speakers say lu. It's also wrong. What's the best character, the best tooling to use for this? Because that's the same sound. It's just 一个有声，一个无声. So, su. Now use your voice. Zu. There you go. And that's one of the hardest sounds for Chinese speakers, but it's also one of the most important because in English we use this sound in most of our words because it means something. If we add an S to the end of a word, one dog, see why it's a problem? One dog, two dogs. So all this goes together. Can we fix that? What if we look at this sound here? Let's take a closer look at this. I won't put in the zhi, chi, shi, shi, because English doesn't use those, but you know they're here. Okay, so let's just change this a little bit. So, 有声, 无声, 有声, 无声. Okay? And then we have z and s, and down here, s, right? 有声的吗？有声的是什么？ That's what we were just talking about, right? So, now, in Chinese, when you use the 注音符号, they had to make some special rules. How many sounds can be, how many 注音 for one character? When you write a character in Chinese, if you use the 注音符号, how many 注音 can you use? Like if I want to write, I don't know, 串.